Welcome back to the channel, friends. So as you can see, we're on the roof and we are doing the ever so dreaded roof maintenance. Needs washed. We've been in the woods for now over a year, so it's filthy. It's been covered in moss and pollen and everything else. So we're just gonna give it a quick scrub down and a quick rinse off with the power washer, and we're gonna check all the seals and make sure everything's good to go, and follow along. So step one is we just blew it off with the power washer to get all the sticks and leaves and everything off, and some of the thicker pollen. And then I'm just going to use this soft bristle brush and some Dawn dish soap and some water and just give it a good scrub down. Anything that is difficult to come off, we'll attack with another substance, some super clean or something. But we'll see how this does first. Making sure our slide toppers get washed off as well, and our gutter track. All right, so part of roof maintenance is your ACs. We are taking these covers off. I do have the evaporator coil cleaners and the keys and all that, or the combs, I mean, to straighten them. So we will be doing that today as well while these covers are off. We did paint ours white, so they look a little worse with the peeling and the dirt sitting on it, but once we get them clean, then we'll get them repainted and they'll look brand new again. So right now our condenser and our evaporator coils, there's a little bit of pee. So as you can see, it does collect a lot of dirt. Don't worry, we'll get that cleaned up. All right, so there you have it. We have half of the roof done already. It didn't take us very long, and I gotta say, it looks so much better. Now, we have been under these trees for about 6 months here, and we were under some trees about 6 months up at Oak Ridge. So, as you can tell, it desperately needed it, and it's doing great. Couple safety notes: watch where you're walking, because you have everything on this roof that you can trip over. Always have somebody else on the roof with you. Like I have Michelle with me, she's my safety, and she's also holding our power washer from falling over. So just a word to the wise, make sure you have somebody. But we're going to continue knocking this roof out and do one final rinse off, and we'll show you the finished product.